Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now we'll look at the headlines. Cabinet approves Lokayukta Bill 2003, clears 350 more posts. All party meet decides to shift religious structures along roadside. CM says will try to save maximum structures. Many Congress MLAs did not attend PAC meeting. BJP MLAs on PAC say that Congress is afraid of outcome of the report. BJP not to declare CM's candidate before election. Shripad, Parikar and Parsekar to lead poll campaign. Parsekar reveals poll strategy in an exclusive interview to Prudent. Force challenges BBSM for an open debate at Lohiya Maidan. BBSM tells Education Department to act against aided schools violating court directions on MOI. And Goan I-League clubs gain vital knowledge from Japan's J-League Tour. Clubs looking forward to implement J-League modules. Sporting Club de Goa confident of organizing their own matches. And now the news in detail. Cabinet on Monday approved the amended Goa Lokayukta Bill 2003 and renamed it as Lokayukta Bill 2011. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said that government will place the bill in the upcoming Assembly session. Assembly session is scheduled on 5th October. Cabinet sources have confirmed that more than 350 posts are sanctioned during the meet.
The required amendments. Today the Cabinet approved the reconsideration of the bill with those proper amendments. The same will be moved in the Assembly and passed.
An all-party meeting on religious structures on public places at Minister Block, which was attended by both district collectors and others along with CM. Chief Minister said that government will try to save most of the structures and relocate them with consent of the community.
In principle, everybody said that first priority should be given those structures which can be regularized should be regularized. Those structures which can be relocated, effort should be made to relocate them. And there may be few structures which are actually obstructing to the vehicle movement or the traffic movement, whatever it is. Their effort will be made first on priority to see by taking the local community into confidence how we can relocate them also. As far as possible, we will not go for demolishing the structures.
Cabinet sources have confirmed that government has created 350 more posts, some on contract, whereas some on permanent basis. A reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Shan.
It has come to light that none of the Congress MLAs on PAC were seriously attending the PAC meetings. BJP's PAC members Damodar Naik and Francisco de Souza have alleged that Congress is scouting for escape routes. PAC chairman Manohar Parikar says PAC will come out with a factual report without pinpointing anyone unless the name is mentioned in the official documents.
State Legislative Assembly's PAC report, which has in-depth investigation of illegal mining seen in state, will be tabled on the floor of the House either on October 5th or October 7th during the forthcoming Assembly session. Parikar says PAC has not deviated from data other than certified documents submitted by government departments or collected through witnesses. Parikar says will stand by the information in CAG report, relying only on the official documents or well-established evidences. Witnesses have been considered only in case of specific evidence, and owners of mines and even those who have power of attorney would be held responsible. Parikar has rubbished all allegations made by Congress party, saying allegations by people other than MLAs itself is a breach of privilege. PAC member and BJP legislators Damodar Naik and Francis D'Souza said that Congress is scared of PAC report.
त्याच बरोबर हांकां सायलेंट करपाक सोदता आणि काँग्रेस पळय ती खेळखेळ जाल्या आणि हे सगळे भ्रष्टाचाराचे सगळे प्रकरणां पळय जाता न्ही थंय ते हल्ल्यात आणि म्हणून ते हायजॅक किंवा इश्यू डायवर्ट करपाक सोदता.
हेजे पयलीं PAC वीक करपाचो खूब प्रयत्न तेंचे कडसून जाल्लो आहा. तांकां भंय दिसता भितूनसून आपलें कितें तरी भायर सरतलें म्हणून. रिपोर्ट तयार जावंकूच ना, तुका भंय कित्याक दिसता? ते चोराच्या मनान चान्नाचो दुबाव आसता.
While Congress party has expressed doubt over the Public Accounts Committee's report, the Congress MLAs on the committee have conceded that they were often absent for the meetings. Francis Silvera, a Congress legislator, informed us that he has not attended a single meeting of PAC and have received all the invites, but was busy and hence could not attend the meetings. He has said that he will have a look at the report first and then decide on the decent note. Agnel Fernandez, a Congress legislator, has attended 2 out of 20 meetings. He says he has received all the invites, but he will see the report first and then decide on the decent note. Pandurang Dhaurikar, a MGP legislator, have attended all the meetings and he has no problem with the PAC report and have received all the invites. Our reporter in Panji Basuri Desai with video journalist Shan.
BJP State President Lakshmikant Parsekar has said that BJP will contest assembly election without projecting any chief ministerial candidate. He has declared that Parikar, Shripad and himself will lead the poll campaign. Lakshmikant Parsekar was exclusively speaking in our weekly program Head On.
दोन आमदार गेले आणि सुद्धा जर कोणाक दुर्बुद्ध सुचलेली असत जाल्यार कांयच हरकत ना, आमचे दरवाजे उगडे असत. ताका जर दिसता असत आमदार एखादो राजीनामा दिवन एखादो दुसरो आमदार राजीनामा दिवन पक्षाचें काम कमी जातले, पक्षाचें काम हे आमदारांचेर ना, पक्षाचें काम हे पक्षाच्या कार्यकर्त्यांचेर आसा.
फाटले 2 इलेक्शनां भितर तुम्ही मुख्यमंत्र्याचो उमेदवार प्रोजेक्ट करून इलेक्शनां केला. Can there be a change in strategy this time?
This time it will be under 3 people. मनोहर, श्रीपाद आणि लक्ष्मीकांत.
फाल्यां जर परिस्थिती आयली मुख्यमंत्री कोण काम समजा सत्तेर आयले आनी मुख्यमंत्री कोण काम तुमकां कितें दिसता, भाई काय भाऊ?
हांव अध्यक्ष म्हणून हांव ह्या मताचो आसा की हो निर्णय इलेक्शना नंतर निवडून आयिल्ल्या आमदारांनी घेवचो. जो लेजिस्लेटर ग्रुप निर्णय घेतलो ताच्याशी हांव सहमत आसतलो.
आणि युतीक
आमचे दरवाजे उगडे आसात. गेले 6 महिने आमी सांगतात.
तेचो कार्यकाळ सोंपलो की चक्र फिरपा शकता
अशें दिसता म्हाका.
तुमकां अपेक्षा
कारण आमकां सिग्नलां मेळटात त्या प्रमाणे तांकां आमचे कडेन युती करपाची आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता. आमकां आमची अवाजवी मागणी ना. आमी म्हणटात की आतां थोडेच दीस उरलेले आसात, त्यामुळे कम आउट आणि लेट अस स्पीक.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.